Imagine a city frozen in time, where clocks stopped 39 years ago and the silence is deafening. Welcome to Pripyat, the ghost city of Chernobyl. On April 26, 1986, the world witnessed the worst nuclear disaster in history. It wasn't an earthquake or a war, but a failed safety test at reactor number 4. Within seconds, a massive explosion released 400 times more radiation than the Hiroshima bomb. People were told they would return in 3 days, so they left everything behind. Toys on the floor, meals on tables, and laundry on the lines. They never came back. Today, the Ferris wheel in the city center stands as a rusted skeleton, never having carried its first passenger. The air still carries the invisible weight of the past. As we walk through these decaying corridors, we realize that Chernobyl isn't just a place of ruins. It is a permanent scar on the face of the Earth. Scientists say the area will not be safe for humans to live in for another 20,000 years. This is the story of a city that died in a single night, leaving behind mysteries that still haunt us today. After the evacuation, Chernobyl became a restricted zone of alienation. While humans fled, nature began a strange and unexpected takeover. Today, the streets of Pripyat are no longer paved with concrete, but covered in thick forests. Trees grow through the roofs of schools. Wolves roam the empty hospital hallways. However, this beauty is deceptive. The radiation caused strange mutations in the local wildlife. Birds developed smaller brains, and insects displayed unusual patterns. Despite the danger, some elderly residents, known as Samosli, chose to return. They live off the land, eating vegetables grown in contaminated soil, defying all scientific logic. They preferred their ancestral homes over the heartbreak of exile. Meanwhile, the infamous Elephant's Foot, a mass of highly radioactive lava inside the reactor, remains one of the most dangerous objects on the planet. Even a few minutes of exposure to it would be fatal. The city remains a massive laboratory, showing us what happens when humanity disappears. It is a haunting reminder that while nature can reclaim its territory, the toxic legacy of our mistakes lasts forever. Today, Chernobyl has become an unlikely destination for dark tourism. Thousands of people visit every year, wearing radiation dosimeters and following strict paths. They come to see the crumbling schools where gas masks litter the floor, a chilling sight of a future that never happened. But why are we so fascinated by this graveyard of concrete? Perhaps because it reflects our own fragility. Every rusted gate and broken window tells a story of a life interrupted. As the sun sets over the red forest, the shadows of the past move. We must learn from these silent ruins so that such a tragedy never repeats itself. Chernobyl serves as a global monument to human error. If you found this journey intriguing, share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think is the most mysterious part of Chernobyl? Thanks for watching.